wheel and then tilting the machine back, so you'll need 2 people for this. And you just pull this cover off by grabbing the bottom, and it'll slide right off. And then you'll need to just put some pressure on this pin, typically with a screwdriver or something, and the wheel will pop right out. Just like that. You'll take the new wheel and you'll insert it in, and then just go ahead and put the machine down, and then just put some pressure on it, and it'll slide right into the hole. And then you just slide this back on, and you're done.